What is up, creators? Welcome back to STYFLY Studio. Grab your phone, drag your screen, or put on your VR headset, because today, you are in the pilot seat. Look around you, 360 degrees of absolute freedom. Hold on tight, because we are pushing the throttle right now. We are launching right from the top of the striking Menara Bank Rakyat. Look around, within just a 500-meter radius, we are surrounded by some of the most premium architecture in the entire city. Throttle down, let's fly. Shifting right next door, skimming the sleek glass of the St. Regis service residences. Imagine waking up to this exact view every single morning. From corporate powerhouses to historic green sanctuaries and ultra-luxury living, you just witnessed it all in one tight 500-meter loop, fully immersive in 360 degrees. Powering up the motors and climbing straight back into the skyline. We are heading directly toward the pinnacle of luxury, the St. Regis Kuala Lumpur. Look at this massive, sophisticated structure. Home to elite international travelers and world-class fine dining, it stands as a massive anchor for high-end hospitality right here on the edge of the KL Central Transport Hub. Dropping altitude fast, we're clearing the concrete jungle for a split second to skim right over the beautiful blue dome of Planetarium Negara. Nestled in the green heart of the city, this space-age landmark blends Islamic architecture with cosmic design. Look down, you can see the outdoor observatory tracks waking up in the morning light. But keep your eyes moving, because the luxury towers are looming right ahead. Now, hold your breath because we are diving. Dropping down to street level to catch a piece of KL's living history. Look at the stunning, intricate architecture of the old KTM railway station. Bathed in the morning light, these historic Moorish arches show the incredible journey of how Kuala Lumpur grew from a small town into a global metropolis. But look right ahead, the future is towering over us. Powering up the motors and climbing straight back into the skyline. Punching the throttle and climbing straight back into the stratosphere. The undisputed king of the sky, Merdeka 118, soaring to a mind-blowing 678.9 meters, it is officially the second tallest building in the world. Built with a budget of Rm 5 billion, its design mirrors Malaysia's 1957 independence moment. With the ultra-luxury Park Hyatt and the massive 118 mall opening up, this is the ultimate catalyst for the future of Malaysian tourism. We are coming to you live from the beautiful, historic heart of Kampung Baru in the golden morning sun. Look around you, 360 degrees of absolute freedom. Hold on tight, because we are pushing the throttle right now. Gaining speed, leaving the village behind, and heading straight into the mega skyline. Look up. We are flying directly between the legendary Petronas Twin Towers. Standing at 88 stories of brilliant steel and glass, these twin icons have defined Malaysia's global rise since the late 90s tilt. You're screened down to see KLCC Park waking up beneath us as we blast right through the gap. From this vantage point, the city's most prestigious megastructures feel close enough to touch. The timeless silver peaks of the Petronas Twin Towers, the sleek, elegant height of the Four Seasons, and the soaring new architectural marvel Oxley Towers. Together, they form a breathtaking backdrop of glass and steel that frames this historic neighborhood. As you can see, there's new skyscrapers being built every day. The crane is doing heavy lifting, non-stop in Kuala Lumpur. The city that never stopped rising on and on. Now we dive down near KL 360 or Clock Tower skyscraper in the making. Wait for my next review on this development. But the real excitement is what's happening right on the ground. Welcome to the brand new Dataran Kampung Baru. What used to be a simple neighborhood field has been completely transformed into a vibrant, modern public space, featuring a beautiful new football field and an integrated multi-level parking structure. This development gives the community a brilliant recreational hub while solving inner-city congestion. Standing prominently along Jalan Yap Kwan Seng, in the heart of Kuala Lumpur's Golden Triangle, Menara Ambank is a recognizable fixture of the capital's bustling financial district. Designed by the renowned architectural firm T.R. Hamzah & Yang and completed in the late 1990s, the 50-story skyscraper towers at approximately 210 meters, topped with a distinctive 17-meter antenna spire, situated just a short walk from the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. It serves as the main corporate headquarters for the Ambank Group, while accommodating various international corporate tenants. On left as we smoothly fly now is the Platinum or the FIFC Suites offers one of Kuala Lumpur's most celebrated night panoramas. A massive 38-meter rooftop infinity pool overlooking the heart of the capital. Banking hard to the right. Glance over to your left. Standing tall over the green canopy of Bukit Nanas is the majestic Kuala Lumpur Tower. Piercing the morning clouds at 421 meters, its telecommunications spire isn't just a classic part of the city's silhouette. It's one of the highest vantage points in Southeast Asia, acting as a massive magnet for international tourists seeking that perfect panoramic view. Sweeping directly above this intersection, you can see where two distinct personalities of the city collide. On one side runs Jalan Sultan Ismail, a major urban artery buzzing with traffic, flanked by prominent commercial landmarks like Quill City Mall, the Sheraton Imperial, and the elevated track of the KL monorail gliding past Medan Tuanku. Panning slightly towards Jalan Raja Abdullah, the scene shifts dramatically. This iconic avenue serves as the historic gateway into Kampung Baru, where traditional wooden Malay stilt houses and lush green pockets sit right in the shadow of modern glass towers, a stunning contrast that only Kuala Lumpur can pull off. Gaining altitude over Menara DBKL3, the horizon opens up completely. Looking toward the east, the gleaming spires of the Petronas Twin Towers dominate the foreground. Rising from the heart of Kuala Lumpur lies Malaysia's premier financial hub, the Tun Razak Exchange. Spanning 70 acres of prime city real estate, this visionary mega-project carries a massive estimated gross development value of RM40 billion. At the absolute core of TRX stands the Exchange 106, soaring 453.6 might is one of the tallest super-tall skyscrapers in Southeast Asia, capped by a 12-story, 48-meter illuminated glass crown. Its column-free floor plates redefine modern architecture. Within just a 200-meter orbit of the main tower, a dense financial ecosystem comes alive. Here you'll see the headquarters of international banking and corporate powerhouses, Menara Prudential, Menara HSBC, and the striking geometric facade of Menara Afin. Neighboring these commercial titans are premium residential towers like Core Residence, blending luxury urban living right into the nation's new Wall Street. Directly connected to these towering structures is a 10-acre elevated roof park, the TRX City Park, sitting right above the Exchange TRX retail destination. Connected underneath by Malaysia's major dual-line MRT interchange, TRX isn't just a Skyline statement, it's a multi-billion ringgit engine driving Kuala Lumpur into the future. That's all for now, guys. Happy Independence Day, Malaysia. Please hit the subscription button and tell me which skyscraper you want to see. Throttle down for now. Your pilot needs to take lunch. How was your experience watching my video in 360 view? Bye for now.